Are you thinking of buying a DJI drone from a pawn shop, Facebook Marketplace, or a secondhand seller? Then you need to watch this video. It could save you thousands of dollars. A few months back, I had bought myself a secondhand drone from a local pawn shop, a DJI Mini 4. It was a fly more combo. I paid $1,200 for a Canadian. Brought it home, started messing around with it, and I realized it was bound to an account. I couldn't unlock my drone, couldn't update the firmware, couldn't do anything. So I contacted DJI to let them know, hey, my drone isn't working. So DJI tells me that it's bound to the original account owner, and there is nothing they can do to help me unless I can contact the original owner of the drone and have him give DJI permission to unbind my account or have him do it himself. Unfortunately for me, the person who sold the drone to the pawn shop neglected to unbind the drone, and the pawn shop didn't know any better to check. Me, as a first-time drone buyer, I had no idea. DJI calls this security feature account binding, and it's affected thousands of drone purchasers and second-hand sellers across the globe. Well, this feature is meant to provide security to the user and prevent stolen drones from being resold. Turns out, it's quite a headache to users, and it seems like a feature that they don't plan on getting rid of. There's no recourse, there's nothing you can do unless you can track down the original seller and have them unbind or get your money back, which is what I did. I had to fight with the pawn shop, threaten legal action, and contact the head office before I was able to get any resolution. It was unnecessary headaches. DJI was no help. In fact, they made the situation even more frustrating. So, if you're planning on buying a second-hand drone, please keep this in mind. I couldn't fly my drone. I couldn't update it. It was essentially a paperweight. So here is the key takeaway and how to protect yourself from a bound paperweight. First, you need to ask the person selling the drone to unbind their account and show you this before you even hand over any cash. You need to make sure you verify the activation status in person. Make sure that they show you that it isn't bound to any account. This is a great lesson in buying from credible sellers and people you trust. Moral of the story, do not buy a second-hand drone unless you know and can verify that it is unbound. This situation cost me weeks of time and $1,000+. Never mind the fact that I had to drive 3 hours back and forth just to return the thing. Don't let this happen to you. DJI will not help. If you think this video can help somebody you know, please share it, like, and subscribe for more drone videos. My name's Brandon. This is UAVBC.com.